Hi, my name's Haley, and I am going to be telling you about cyberbullying and the prevention that my district uses within schools to prevent cyberbullying. So, first, I'm going to start off by talking about what is cyberbullying. And cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to bully a person, typically by sending messages or pictures of an intimidating or threatening nature. So my district uses a program called Securely, and through this parent portal system, parents will be emailed weekly reports of their child's activities on the internet every Tuesday evening. So all of the Chromebooks within our district are one-to-one from grades 3 to 8, and these parents will get weekly emails updating them on what their students are Googling, what they're searching, and what they're commenting. And most importantly, parents can view flagged activity, which would include topics of cyberbullying and self-harm. So everything is presented to the parents in a way that is easy. They can see it through email every single week. So they're never wondering what their students are searching, what their students are commenting, and it's all there for them to clearly see. It's also a system that the teachers uses as well, and the teachers are able to communicate straight to the parents on what they're seeing, what the students are commenting and doing. So this is a system that really monitors exactly what the students are looking at on their Chromebooks and what they are commenting, so that everybody is aware of what is going on. Next, our district has a student parent handbook, and within that handbook, there is an entire section on the bullying policy. So these statements are taken right from the handbook. The most important things really that come out of this bullying policy, and specifically on cyberbullying, is that students are encouraged to immediately report bullying, and the teachers really make this a firm statement to the students that they're encouraged to report bullying, and it could be to anyone in the school, any trusted adult or staff member. And then also the superintendent or designee shall promptly inform the parents or guardians of every student involved in an incident of bullying. So everybody that's involved is going to discuss as appropriate the availability of social work services, counseling, school psychology services, interventions, and restorative measures. So they really dive in specifically with what happened, and everybody that's involved is able to discuss their side of it and come to a solution on what has happened. And social workers are involved, the teachers are involved, and all of the services are available to the students and families. For more prevention, our district has a specific curriculum that is for social emotional learning and bully prevention. And so our curriculum is called Second Step, and there's lessons. And then our bully prevention kits have in-class lessons. There's home links to connect with parents. So home links for the younger grades would be like worksheets, like paper going home, but home links in the older grades would be through the computer. And then there's also staff training on this specific curriculum. And going into even more of that Second Step program, the main focus is that these are it's an integrated approach that really connects what the students are doing in their home life and to school. So everything's integrated within all subjects, within all aspects of life. It is also research-based. So this entire program really is a progression. It starts in kindergarten, and each lesson builds from year to year. It also helps build trust. So right from kindergarten, these students are learning the basics of problem solving, emotions, how we control our emotions, how students should talk to one another. And it's building trust between students in their homes and students in school. It's also very engaging. Lessons have videos, activities, games that the students play. The students are role-playing certain situations that they would encounter on the playground, at home, within school. And so they're really working together to learn how to deal with emotions that they have, how to deal with relationships that they have, and how to problem solve those. It also reaches out to families through home links. Starting in kindergarten, there are home links where families are practicing how to prevent bullying, how to deal with emotions, and how to problem solve working with others and role-playing situations that are going to come up, and how do you solve the problems in a way that will be the best for everyone. And then it's easy to implement. There's really easy staff training. The lessons are simple and to the point and very specific based with a certain skill as a focus. And so teachers really hone in on a specific skill each week, and each week they build off one another. And last but not least, going forward, I think that there needs to be clear expectations for tech use. So really showing the students what the expectations are for using their Chromebooks or iPads within the classroom. Also having open communication between home and school, and keeping that communication completely transparent and clear so that everybody's on the same page. Having a positive relationship with students and families, so really building that good rapport and bridging home to school. Reinforcing positive behavior and really highlighting the good behavior that's happening. We'll want students to continue that positive behavior without the whole school, and having the entire school be on the same page with their behavior systems and management. Also focusing on meeting social and emotional needs through our SEL second step lessons within the classroom at home, and just keeping consistent staff training on cyberbullying as new social network apps come up and technology advances. I think staff need to be consistently trained on how to use the technologies, what they should be seeing, and keeping those expectations clear and positive for students so that students know that they can report bullying, that they feel comfortable talking to anyone at their school, and that there's other ways to deal with problems, and that students can be open and honest, and cyberbullying should not be something that they should be doing. All right, thank you.